Right guys, this is just a quick video to show you what we're doing. Now when you come to the Philippines, and it varies what part of the Philippines you're in, like in Cebu they ration the water. Well, I don't know what's happening here at the moment, but our water pressure is gone and most days there's no water for a few hours. So I decided I'm going to get a barrel and gather the rainwater. Now what I'm going to do, this is Oban and his family. What I'm going to do is put the barrel up here and then have a pipe coming off here into the barrel, and then in between I'm going to put filters in the pipe. So it not only filters all the particles going into the barrel, but it should clean the water as well. Now my thinking is, if there ever comes a time where the water's totally off and then we can't get drinking water, we'll use this. Now before everybody starts jumping up and down that the filter in the pipe's not going to be enough, I know it's not. I've got two brand new filtration systems in the house that's still in the box, ready for if we ever need drinking water. So the water will be filtered, then it'll come out, we'll boil it, and then when it's cooled down we'll put it through the filters, and it'll just keep running through the filters, and that'll be our drinking water. It'll be fine once it's gone through the filters. So if you're in the Philippines and you have a water situation, 1, 2 or 3 of these barrels depending on your space. We've got no space here, so it's just going to be 1 barrel. We've painted for Ronald, look, when Ronald comes, see, painted the walls because we want Ronald to have some kind of comfort in a slum area, rundown area, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to get some people, it's not a slum area. Okay, so this is the new project. It's just a quick video to show you what we're doing and what you could do. Also, it'll save you on water bills. If your water bill's pretty high, you can use it for your garden. If you've got a garden, you can put a jet wash on it, hook up your jet wash, and it doesn't matter about the pressure. Some jet washers here, like my jet wash, won't work on the pressure. You what, babe?
Grill fish.
Oh, you want to grill some fish on? Oh yeah, yeah. It can double up as a grill. That's right. Very good. So I put an outside socket, look, so I can run the pressure washer. You what, babe?
Nothing. I said you're so handsome.
Yeah. Now, before we realised she had Gcash, the blind lady, we accepted 2 payments, and it's very hard to get her in the same place as us at the same time to do a video, because the 2 kind gentlemen that sent the money, I promised them a video of us giving them the money, and if you ever sent any money to us, that's what we'll do, just for you. I'll put the birthday party one online because I thought that was the right thing to do. You know, give these guys a bit of recognition, but I just want to keep everything above board, that they know that their money's going to where it should go. Not that it wouldn't, but you know what these trolls are like, don't you? So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you this. It's another quick video. Yeah, we've repainted. It's especially for you, Ronald. I hope you appreciate it. We're painting the inside of the house as well.
What Ronald said, he's not gonna make the paint.
You can't eat paint. No. That's very true. Very true. So it looks really nice and clean now. Look at this. Mel got a bonsai and she's doing a great job of killing it, look. Anybody knows anything about bonsais to bring them back to life? I'm going out now and I'm spraying it all the time to keep it wet. I think it might be just the heat, because we got it. We got it when we went to Mayon, didn't we? Yeah, Skyline, and they had them outside. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
When you bring here,
Yeah,
it's cold there, right?
yeah. Milk kills everything, don't you, babe? Yeah. So this is the end result, guys. Now we're gonna open this up to put the tap on, because I thought there was going to be a nut on the other side, and then I realized it's a metal tap, so we can actually force it through a smaller hole there and just put a little bit of liquid nails on the outside so it holds the tap. The tap's locking as well. I think I might put the tap here actually. The tap's locking as well, so nobody can take the water. And don't forget, on here I'm putting like 3 lots of filters in here, 3 stages, so it'll clean the water. There's charcoal going in, so it'll clean the water, and it'll also, you know, filter any big bits out. And then if anything happens, I just have to take that off, clean it out, you know, put it back in again. So there's no pressure there, guys, so it'll go straight through. I'm gonna, as you can see, we're gonna cut that out. I'm just gonna put a bit of silicone seal around it so it's sealed and there's no muck from the outside can get in. I've cleaned the barrel out. It's not had chemicals in it, it's just had soda in it, but I've still cleaned it out. And what I'm going to do is, when it rains, I'll just let it fill, and then I'll let it, you know, just run out just to get it clean. And that's it. Job's a good one. I've got my power supply outside like I showed you. It's all ready to go. Just got to wait for the tap coming. Instead of going and buying one in town, I ordered it online. I thought I'd have a bit more time, but he come earlier than what he said he was going to do it. We'll tidy all this up, render it, and then paint it same colour as that. So that's it, guys. You keep saying you want quick videos. Well, this is a quick video. So it's over to my baby.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video.
Bye.
Brit in the Philippines! Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn